Good morning, everyone. Today we are learning Russian alphabet, and we start with simple vowels. It's A, O, U, I, and Ö. So let's write a word with the letter A. For example, A, R, B, arbuz. It's very complicated, so let's start with something more simple. Brat. So brat is brother. So we see here other letters also. B. It's in English alphabet. B, R, R, I is the same, and T is same also. So, brat. Here we pronounce A this way, A, brat. But sometimes we pronounce A different. For example, in the word what word? I need to think what word. For example, word Koshka is a cat, and here we also see A, but stressed vowel here is O, so we pronounce koshka, koshka. We also hear the letter A, but it's like a little bit reduced, so it's like a half of this letter. So it's like koshk, koshka, koshka. Some people in Russia pronounce it more clear, like koshka, and you hear A very well, not A, you hear A very well. But some people can pronounce also like koshk, koshka. So we barely hear A at the end. Okay, it's about the letter A, the first letter, and one of the most simple letters